This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Will I slowly lose my mind?
Guys, as I've told you, like UPSC is my long-term goal. So these are like couple of strategies that I've gone through YouTube source. So basically, this is of Akshat's strategy. Like he have briefly explained. I really liked his explanation, and I definitely got some good idea from his way of explanation. And this is how I figured it out, and I've written from his explanations. So yeah, so the main points from his strategy is like finish maximum syllabus before prelims. Like before the prelims, you should be very much thorough with the syllabus. And also he have advised us to prepare short notes in each and every topic of general studies, and then complete the optional subjects before prelims. So before the attempting prelims, you must be very good at your optional subjects. That's how your preparation should be. And the next is answer writing practice before prelims. Also you should know how to write an answer, how to attempt a question, which way you should write an answer, so that it will attract the paper correctioner's mindset. And this is how his target based, this is how his strategy, and this is how he explained. And he have divided his entire time into like 4 phases. That is, the first phase consists of 4 months, the second phase is also of 4 months, the third phase is like something which is to prelims, and the fourth phase is after prelims. Okay, so in phase 1 he have advised like the main priority to optional subject we have to give, and also we should make notes. Also we should start doing daily answer writing practice on editorial. He have referred us few sites called Insight Secure and IAS Baba. And also revise if you are doing any coaching, if you're taking some coaching, also revise their materials. And also read NCRTs plus optional. As I've told before, optionals and NCRTs you should complete in your first phase. And the next phase is of 4 months, that is GS. Main priority should be going towards GS, and reading newspaper is a habit you should start from the right day itself you plan to attempt this exams. So newspaper plays a very major role in UPSC, hence paper reading is must. 3 hours full day test, like you should start giving mock tests on GS topics after your from starting of your phase 2. And then revise your optional slowly. Since you have already you might have completed your optional paper, you should do a revision, because you don't want to forget the important points and all. So doing a revision helps a very lot. So next thing is start writing essays. Every day at least write 5 to 6 essays. That's how he advised us. And the next phase is prelims. So the only priority you should be giving in this point of time is, so the only important priority you should be giving to in this particular time is towards prelims. So daily try to attend the mock test, full sectional and also the full mock test you should attempt. And the fourth phase is after your prelims. So after your prelims, obviously there you should be giving your full complete priority towards mains, like start your optional, cover everything, and then give 3-hour test on a daily basis and keep revising your complete notes. Whatever notes you have completed, keep revising it. So referring couple of YouTube videos, I have made a book list for myself, and if you want this book list to be shared with you all guys, do let me know. I'll make a separate video on book list. And then this is how I figured out, like what are the exams you should be targeting. Since you will be preparing for n number of exams, you should make sure like what are the exams that you wanted to give, which exam suits you. So I have written here some couple of exams names, so that whenever the notification comes, I can easily I can search with these keywords and I can make a schedule of it. uh, and then yeah, so this is all regarding groups thing. If anybody is planning to do want some information about APPSC group 2, do let me know. I'll make a separate video guys. So yeah, so yeah, so this is how I from the help of YouTube, with certain toppers videos and something, I made up some plans and some notes. This is how I made, and I've shared with you all guys. Hope this is useful for you, and will thank you for watching over this video and clicking on my video.